ಹಲೋ, ಏನ್ರೋ ಬಂದ್ರೇನ್ರೋ? ಕಿರಣ, ಹಲೋ ಕಿರಣ್, ಕಿರಣ್, ಕಿರಣ್.
ಸರ್.
ಏನೋ ಬಂದ್ರೇನೋ? ಇನ್ನು ಉಳಿದವ್ರು ಬರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ಇವ್ರು ಯಾರು? ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಮಂದಿ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಹಾಕಾರ? ಅವ್ರು ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಪಟ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ, ಹೌದಾ? 1 ಪರ್ಸನ್ ವೇಟಿಂಗ್. ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ಅವನು? ಯಾರಿವನು? ಲೋಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂತು. ಓಕೆ, ಇವತ್ತು ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಇದನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಅಸೆಂಬ್ಲಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಅಸೆಂಬ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋಣೇನ್ರೋ? ಅಸೆಂಬ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಕಿರಣ? ಅಸೆಂಬ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್? Part B, you are having any doubts? Part B, in part B? Only thing is you doesn't know how to draw the 2D views in sketchbook, right? Manual sketching you doesn't understanding, right?
Yes, sir.
You are not understanding the manual sketching, how to draw that, right? Same thing, whatever you are doing in the solid edge means offsetting method you are using, right? Same thing, first you find out the total area, how much it's required for front view, right? Then you position the view in sketchbook, either top right side of the sketchbook or left side of the sketchbook, or like that you have to. If he is asking top view means you have to position top to front. Okay, top side of the sketchbook is front. Okay, you take landscape, okay, you position that. Below you write it the top view. Suppose if we asking side views, left side or right side view, then you take the, if he is asking left side means you have to take left side of the sketchbook front view, then right side of the front view you have to draw the side view, right? ಈಗ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಏನೋ ಸುಮಂತ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರೋ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರು ಇದನ್ನ, ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಸಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಪಿಗಾಟ್ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್, ರೈಟ್? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಉಲ್ಟಾ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಏನ್ರೋ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕಿ, ಸೈಡ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕೇನೆ, ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕೇನೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಸಾಕೆಟ್ ಎಂಡ್. ಸಾಕೆಟ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಇಂದ ಅವ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತಿರೋದಂದ್ರೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇಂದ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ದಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಯು ಡೂ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್, ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಈ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಅದವಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಅವನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಆದಷ್ಟು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಬರೆಯೋದಲ್ಲ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ರೈಟ್ blindly, right? Understand and write which view he asked. First you know which view he is asking, that view only you have to write. Clear? Okay, now we'll start the assembly. Enra, now I will start the assembly. Here we are going to draw the screw jack of assembly. You are having this part list, right? You are having this part list in PDF. Whatever notes I sent through WhatsApp also I given, and Google Plus. Okay, URL maybe you got. If you are going to that URL, you will get the notes again in our website. Okay, Google Plus website you will get the notes, same thing. Okay, now we will start the screw jack assembly. Okay, screw jack assembly means first we have to know what are the parts we are having. What are the parts we are having? See here, he is given the number of parts, right? Given the number of parts. How many parts it is having? It is having total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right. He is given total. Is given total how many parts? 7 parts. First part is body, second part is nut, third part is screw spindle, fourth part is cup, fifth part is washer special, and sixth part is CSK screw. Okay. Next seventh part is Tommy bar. Tommy bar. Hmm? Right. First we will start the body. To start the body, we have to go through the body diagram. This is the given body diagram, right? Hmm? Okay, this is given body diagram. Hmm? Right, this is the body diagram is given in part list. In examination also same thing you will get. In examination you will get all these part list. You will get all the parts list in the question paper, right? But in part B you will not get the part list. You will not get the part list for part B. Right. Only part C will get this part list. By reading these drawings, you have to make 3D model and you have to assemble the components, right, to make the assembly, right? Now we are going to start the part. First one is part 1. Part 1 is what? Part 1 is body, right? To construct the body in 2D, first we have to draw the two-dimensional view. Then that view we have to convert it into three-dimensional
Sir,
component.
screen share ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ sir.
ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ನಲ್ಲೋ? ಓಕೆ
ಇಲ್ಲ sir.
ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ಈಗ ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡು. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈಗ ಶೇರ್ ಆಯ್ತೇನ್ರೋ? ವಿಶಾಲ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನಿತಿನ್
ಸರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ
ಆಗಿದೇನ್ರೋ? ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕ ಬೇಡ? ಮತ್ ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಕೇಳ್ತದೀರ, ಅಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಂದ ಹೇಳ್ತದೇನೆ. See, in question paper he will give this part list, right? In question paper he will give this part list. Got it? ನೋಡ, ಈ ತರ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಏನ್ ಆಗ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಅದು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. That will be taken serious action, because this video we are going to submit principal also and HOD also. Be careful while playing the videos or songs behind the laptop, right? In your laptop, don't take these chances. Enappa, be serious. Okay, in question paper you will get these part list. You will get this part list in question paper, right? In question paper you will get this part list, but in part B, for part B we are not getting these part list in question paper. That is part A and part B is completely memory drawing. Right? In part C you will get this part list. By knowing this part list, by reading this part list, you have to make each component three-dimensional component. Each 2D view you have to observe and you have to read, get the dimension and create the 3D parts from these drawings, right? Then after making the parts you have to make assembly by combining all the parts, by assembling all the parts. Then after making assembly you have to take two-dimensional view from that assembly. Okay, whatever assembly you did, from that assembly you have to take two-dimensional view. Whatever he is asking, sectional front view means sectional front view you have to take. Right half in section front view in right half in section, or right half sectional front view we will ask. And again sometimes he will ask side view, sometimes he will ask top view. Some assemblies he will ask front view only, but top view he will ask section. Right half in section, top view right half in section, or below half in section anta keltane, athwa top half in section or bottom half in section anta keltane. Okay, in top view keltane, right? Those things you have to concentrate and you have to answer according to that, right? ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಬರೆಯೋದಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಡ್ರಿ ಏನ್ರಪ್ಪ. ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಸಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರೆದು ಬಂದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೇಸ್ಟ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ read the question carefully, then you answer for that. See here, he is given the question here. Okay, details of screw jack are showing in future, same as it is question you will get in question paper, right? Front view showing right off in section is asked here. Front view showing right off in section. Top view. Next one is top view. Okay, then assembled 3D view. Don't present the exploded view. You will not ask this exploded view in examination, right? Maybe depend on the question paper. Who is going to make the question paper, or who is making to plot the question paper, means he who is going to make the question paper, depending on him you have to get the questions, right? Exploded view ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದನ್ನೊಂದು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಿ ನೀವು. Okay, suppose he is given means you make it explode, then you capture the screen and you put it into the printing. Okay, same thing you have to do, right? ಓಕೆ, ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಎನಿ 3 ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಯೂಶುವಲಿ. ಎನಿ 3 ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಸೆಂಬಲ್ಡ್ 3D view means whatever assembly you did, same view also you can take printout, screen printout, or what you have to do, make it isometric view of that component, isometric view of that assembly. You can put it into the printing setup. Okay, means ಪೇಜ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಏನ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪುಟ್ ದಿ ಐಸೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಪೇಪರ್, ರೈಟ್? 3 views should be in one, or you can take individual also, depending on the how you will get the option in the examination. Okay, depend ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಬಟ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ವ್ಯೂ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ he is asking, same all will be in according to the projection procedure. Okay, ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಇದ್ರೆ ಬಿಲೋ ಟಾಪ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಸೈಡ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಇದ್ರೆ ರೈಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ವ್ಯೂ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಥವಾ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ದ ವ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಓಕೆ, now you are going to start the assembly. First one is part body 1. Part number 1 is what? Body 1. Okay, part number 1 is body. Here you are seeing this body. Okay, first we will construct the body, means here we are seeing the body diagram, 2-dimensional body diagram you are seeing. Here whatever view is given here in part list, whatever is given, this is the right off in section. In ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ right off ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ section ಇದೆ, ಹೌದಾ? You are seeing here, this is right off in section. Left is not made any section. Okay, left is not made any section, only right off in section. Same thing you have to write. Every part is in right. See, this is full section. This view is full section. This is right off in section. This is full section. You are getting the difference? Okay. If he is asking front view in section means you have to write this. Right off in section means you have to write this. Front view right off in section means you have to write like this. Don't write like this. Okay. Clear? Now, we are starting the part body. Here you are observing this section part. Okay, you are observing here section part. Body alli enagide illi right side section agirodide. Okay, you have to draw this only. To make 3-dimensional component you have to draw this only. Okay, whatever you are observing here, this thing you have to draw in part modeling. Okay, solid part modeling you have to draw this. How to draw this? Don't put this section line. Only you have to draw outer edges of this section view. Illen kaanta ide alla outer edges, thick line kaanta ide nodi illi. Okay, this you have to draw. Clear? Okay, after drawing this you have to put the axis, then you have to revolve. You have to use revolved protrusion command and you have to revolve. Okay, just I will first draw the rough sketch. Then I will convert it into dimension, right? ಆ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ತಕ್ಕಂಗೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಒಂದು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ, ಉಳಿದಿರೋದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತೇನ್ರೋ? ನಿತಿನ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ನಿತಿನ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯೇನ್ರೋ? ಹಾ, ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ ಒಂದು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಶೋ ಒನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಓಪನ್ ದ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಎಡ್ಜ್. Right? I will open the solid edge. Go to the solid part. Okay, solid part. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ರಿಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟೋ 40 minutes ಏನೋ ಇದೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ, ಅಷ್ಟಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಆಫ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್. ಹಂಗೇನಾರ ಆದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಏನಾರ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ID ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ರೀಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತೇನ್ರಾ? ಹಾ, ಓಕೆ. ನೌ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಓಪನ್ ದಿ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಜಡ್ಜ್, ರೈಟ್? Then go to the, if you are not having this, go to the feature toolbar. Okay, just you can position, you keep here blue direction ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬ್ಲೂ ಕಲರ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, you can hold here left button and you can position anywhere you want. Okay, I will position here itself. Here number of tools are there. Okay, here number of tools are there. See here, sketch. Okay, protrusion, like reward protrusion, like these are not highlighted. Why these are not highlighted means because these are modified tools. Not creative tools, right? Whatever highlighted is there, these are creation tools.
ಸರ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್
Whatever
ಕಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ
highlighted,
ಸರ್.
ಏನಾಯ್ತು ವಿಶಾಲ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ರು?
ಸರ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್, ಏನು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ನೆಟ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ ಇವೇನಿದಾವಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಹೈಲೈಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋವು, ದೀಸ್ ಹೈಲೈಟೆಡ್ ಟೂಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಟೂಲ್ಸ್, ರೈಟ್? Highlighted tools are called creation tools. Okay, highlighted tools are modified tools. Okay, first you will go to the sketch. Okay, before going to sketch, open the PDF. Okay, now we have to draw this. Which plane we have to draw? Either front or top or side. Okay, for that you have to know which plane we have to select. Okay, here for body, first I will go to this sketch. Then I will select, see here, this is front plane. You can observe here. Okay, this is front plane, this is top plane, this is right plane, right? I will take front plane means what? XZ. Here front plane means XZ. Select this one. Okay, after selecting, go to the fit. Okay, take the command line. Okay, go to the axis. X-axis I will choose. Okay, for drawing. Okay, select X-axis, draw as it is, whatever you are observing here. Same thing you draw in the sketcher, right? Same thing you draw in the sketcher. Okay, go to the line, just draw the sketcher. Same thing you can draw like this, right? Same thing you can draw. Right, you can draw like this. If you unwanted you want to remove means go to the trim tool, select this trim tool and remove whatever extra is there, you remove. Got it? Okay, now after this I will use smart dimension to dimension the components, right? First I will take, what I will do, I will go to the dimension from here to axis. This is the axis. I will select this and I will put here. What is the dimension for that? That is 140.
ಸರ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಗಿ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ ಸರ್.
ಹೌದಾ? ಯಾರದು ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿರೋದು?
ಪವನ್ BM and ರಾಹುಲ್ R.
ಪವನ್ BM ನೀವು ಆಗಿರಲ್ವಾ? ಅದೇ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ನಾನು ಕಳ್ಸಿದ್ದು ಸೇಮ್.
ಅಡ್ಮಿಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕೇನೋ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
ಅಡ್ಮಿಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ಬಂದವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಆರಾಮ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗ, ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಒಂದೇ ಟೈಮ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನಾರ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ನಾನ್ ಮತ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶೇರ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕಾಕತ್ ನೋಡು. ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶೇರ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗ್ತಾರ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಬಂದಾರ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲದಾರ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಂದಿ ಬಂದಾರ. ಹೌದಾ? ಬಂದಾರ ತಗ. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ. Okay, okay, now we are going to make 140 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, that 140 first you apply the dimension, then changes the dimension. Nodi, ididea, select this, then go to the lock, put it lock here, driving. Okay, 140, half of that is how much? 70. Half of that is how much? 70. 70, enter. Okay. Like that, you have to give the number of dimensions. You have to give the number of dimensions. Next one is 100 here, from here to here, right? From this end to this end, but only we are using half section, right? Half section, that is 100. Again, go to here, select the line, select the axis, then here 100, half of that is how much? 50. 50. Okay, select the dimension, select the dimension, lock this, say 50. 50. Clear? Next, I'll go to the top one, from here to here. How much is this? Total height is how much? Total height is how much? 185. Total height is how much? 185. Right? Go to the 185. Put this 185. 185. Right? 185. Got? Next, 40. 40. This one is 40. Next, this one is 50, 70. 50, 70, 40. Right? 50, 70, 40. Go to the fit. Right? Select this one. This is how much? 70. Then this is 50. 50. Right? Here, this one is how much? This one is 40. This one is 40. I will take 40. Right. This one is how much? 70, half of that 35. 50, half of that 25. Right. Like that you have to do. Okay. You can adjust this. You can adjust this. Clear? Okay. Right. Like that you can create. Then this one is how much? 20. 20 is given. 20 is given. Right. Same thing you can find out all the dimension. See here. Next 100, from where to here? From here to here 100. This end is 100. Like that we have to apply all the dimensions. From here to here is how much? 100. 100, half of that is 50. Right? 50. 50. Clear? Next, this one is how much? Height is 3 mm. 3 mm. Okay. Go to the height, select this one. This one is how much? 3 mm. 3 mm. Select this, make it 3. Right? Like that we have to construct the drawing. Like that we have to construct the drawing. And this distance is 10. This distance is 10. Right? 10 means 10. Right? 10. Okay, this distance we have to give the dimension. But here, if you are going to apply dimension, it is not coming. It is not coming, right? For that, what we have to do? Go to here, select this one line, select the first point, then see here. You can make it perpendicular. You are getting the symbol here, perpendicular symbol you are getting, right? Here you are getting the horizontal symbol. Here we are getting perpendicular symbol, right? Use perpendicular symbol. Okay. Perpendicular symbol. See here, we are not got the perpendicular, right? To make that, you use this perpendicular symbol. Select this one, select this and this. Automatically, it will make it perpendicular. Already it is perpendicular. Okay. Already it is perpendicular. You can observe the angle. By applying the angle, you can observe. Clear? Already it is perpendicular. Trim this. Trim this. Okay. Use trim command and trim this. Right. Now you can apply the dimension for this. Now you can apply the dimension for this. Use 10, 10. Clear? These are the parameters you can apply. Right. Next one is here. See here. It is having radius here also, right? Then here also it is having radius. To make this, you can make now also, and you can make after making the part also. After making the part also. But I will apply this. Okay, 8 and 3. 3 means here is not given. Here also is not given. What is the radius? Here also is not given. What is the radius? Right. For that, he is given here. He is given here. Okay, for that, he is given. See here. Dimension in mm. Chamfers 1 into 45 degree. Chamfer, whatever chamfer is there, take it 1 into 45 degree. Whatever radius is not given in sketch or drawing, you take it 1 mm as a radius.